Kakadosh Boker Or, Bekiim Halacha 4, day 73, page 179. This is Siman Kav Zayin, Siman 27, Halacha Ayin Tet. We're talking about now the loose ends of the tefillin of the shalosh strap. Right? What do you do exactly? So we say like this. We say, so you're going to have the two ends. Remember, in the back of the head, you have the two ends. So when they're going to be protruding in front of you in the chest area. So it says over here, the protruding from the dalit knot, remember it's a dalit knot, of the tefillin shalosh should be brought around the person's chest, one strap over his right shoulder and one of them over the left shoulder. The ends of the strap should be long enough to reach down to the person's navel or slightly above it. Okay? And according to the Zohar and the Arizal HaKadosh, the end on the right should reach down the navel while the end of the left should reach down the breast. So it's going to go down. The Kabbalist instructions are to insert the left into the upper edge of one's sash, which is near the level of one's breast, and one should insert the right end of the strap into the lower edge of the sash, which is near the navel. The tips of the strap should be tucked into the sash so that they do not drag on the ground. So basically it goes into the belt. That's what we're talking about until now. Okay? So he says these instructions apply to a left-handed person as well. That means it doesn't matter whether you're righty or lefty, you're still going to do the same thing. Okay? The sash, by the way, is the belt. Okay? Halacha pei, which is 80. Maximum length for the strap. It is permissible for the strap to tefillin shalosh to be longer than that, but it should not be so long that it reaches the ground. Meaning, no matter how long, lo meshane kama ze aroch, right? The tefillin shalosh, these straps, it shouldn't reach the ground. It should go into the belt. The common custom, in fact, is to use the strap longer than the size described here. But in the case of many, right, the custom is that the right end of the strap is no longer than the left end. So that means basically the right end is longer than the left. Okay. So the tzad yamin is yoter aroch and tzad small. According to the Kabbalist, it is commandment to have a strap with ends that do not stretch down more than the length described here. Meaning, according to the Mekubalim, mamash is a katar, right? It's not going to be a long strap. Okay? In the belt. That's what you just said, in the belt. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to see here. The proper procedure, yeah, it's better to put it in the belt. Yeah? אני לא יכול לשלוט. תודה. אוקיי, תשים את זה פה, אני אשתה את זה אחרי שחרית. תודה. יעבדו חמים. The proper procedure, 81. Right? הכנסת רצועה באבנט יעשה אחר שקרא חגים הכריכות על האצבעו ויעשה את זה מאומן. So when you're going to put it in the belt, you have to do it when you're standing up and after you already did the 3 on the fingers. זאת אומרת, you're doing the finger and only after you finish this part, that's when you're going to take the one of the tefillin shalosh and you're going to put it in the belt. That means it's going to be only done afterwards. Look in the footnote 199. 199 says, these instructions are given by the Ben Ish Chai and the Kaf HaChaim. In their times, the Kabbalists wore a wide sash around the abdomen. So its bottom was near the level of the person's navel, while the top was at the level of the breast. And therefore, it was appropriate for positioning the ends of the tefillin strap. Meaning like this. In the olden days, they didn't have like nowadays our belt. They had a belt was higher up, right, around the abdomen. So he says that's why they were saying, where do you tuck in the tefillin shalosh? Nowadays, we have a regular belt. It's a little bit different. Okay?